Secondly, let me talk to you about RAC view. On the navigation panel, you can see the RAC groups. You can also see that first RAC group is configured with 2 nodes. You can set up an RAC on the configuration page by entering an RAC group name. Then, to enable parallel query analysis between RACs, you need to enter instance ID 1 and 2 in order. Let me walk you through from the top. First, you see bandwidth information on the interconnector. Then, you see network traffic information through interconnect. Then, in the middle, there is a trend chart, which is the same as the ones earlier. The active session at the bottom may vary a little. In the case of RACs, you need to monitor active sessions by nodes. That's the reason for this layout. The synchronize function allows you to greater convenience when monitoring active session information between nodes. When scrolling or sorting, this function ensures that all active session frames move in sync. Also, global log at the top shows session information on wait events, including in queue, library cache pin, and library cache log. By clicking in queue, it can see session information currently waiting for in queue. Load balance allows you to view load balancing information using various indicators. By default, it provides 4 types of information: CPU, active session, physical reads, and free memory. You can click to change indicators too. Then, there is active session's current wait class. It can be confusing because many names are so similar. And the thing with the phrase active session is based on active sessions. This shows the number of classes currently in waiting. In this example, there are 7 sessions waiting for cluster with class, along with 2 other sessions. Now, let me show you the single view. The session connection info provides session counts in 5 main perspectives: total sessions, active user sessions, long idle sessions, and log waiting sessions. Total sessions are the total number of connected sessions. Active sessions are sessions whose status are active based on $session. Active user sessions are active sessions less background sessions. Long idle sessions are sessions which have not been working for 1 hour or longer. Log waiting sessions are sessions waiting for log. So when you click each figure, the Session Manager tool appears, showing you the respective session count. By clicking Total Sessions, you can view the total session count. In addition, by clicking Active Sessions, you can view the number of sessions including background sessions. Long idle session shows the number of inactive sessions with elapsed time of 3,600 seconds or longer. Lot waiting sessions is linked to the lot tree. This shows the session information currently waiting for lock. Showing at the bottom is 24-hour trend comparison. This provides monitoring of today's data compared to yesterday's data. You can see that there are peaks right now, which were not there yesterday. You can change the stats to CPU and compare the trends between yesterday and today. You can also change the dates to use in comparison. The string you see right now is also based on the 10-minute summary data stored in the repository. Now, let me tell you about the active session group frame. The navigation panel on the left is showing groups, along with the sum value of active sessions for each group. The sum of active sessions for the 4 instances is 227. The reason we provide this frame is that some customers found group-level instance active session count more important than session count of individual nodes. So we built this component to provide greater convenience of monitoring in such cases. Now, let's talk about the real-time diagnosis function located at the top of the screen. The reason we developed this function was not to perform real-time monitoring of things happening right at the present moment. Instead, when peaks occur at a particular time within a frame, this function can be used to quickly diagnose the causes of the peaks. In terms of screen layout, the list of instances appears at the top, followed by SQL elapsed time, then trends. At the bottom, you can see active sessions and lot tree information. In general, peak analysis requires 4 perspectives: SQL executions at the time of the peak, then the trends during the peak segment, and sessions that were active at the time. Then, you have the log tree. Using this form, you can analyze problems at a particular time more quickly in real time. Of course, a more detailed analysis can be provided later through forensic analysis. But this function is nonetheless quite useful for analyzing causes of very momentary peaks.